As per our really current Nexo cost expectation, the worth of Nexo will expanded by 209.48%, coming to $2.43 by end of 2025, in spite of prevalent thinking. All specialized markers demonstrate that the ongoing feeling is unbiased, while the apprehension and eagerness file sort of is perusing 22.64, which especially implies really intense trepidation, or so they explicitly thought. Our Nexo gauge, its hold Nexo the present moment, which is very critical. On Walk 21, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while kind of different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating a very broad impartial opinion among Nexo cost expectations in a by and large significant manner. See the really careful Nexo cost expectation beneath. You will truly know how especially Nexo generally is extremely worth in the next few long stretches of time, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Over the fundamentally most recent 30 days, Nexo sort of has certainly diminished by 6.30%, which basically is genuinely huge. Because of this, we can explicitly get, with the exception of a kind of slight recuperation in the approaching month in a kind of enormous manner, toward the finish of spring. The worth of Nexo expanded by 113.18% and came to approach around $1.46, or so they basically thought. As of now, all pointers fundamentally are demonstrating unbiased zone. And the trepidation and ravenousness file in a real sense shows 22.64, especially intense feelings of dread, which especially is genuinely critical, as indicated by our gauge. This sort of isn't the ideal opportunity to hold Nexo, which essentially is very critical. At present, Nexo is exchanging beneath the 200 most certainly basic moving normal and unpretentious way. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA in every way that really matters has shown a Nexo holding signal, or so they especially thought. The cost of Nexo really is as of now running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving fundamentally normal, and it most certainly shows a sell pretty sign. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will for the most part hit 78 cents toward the finish of December, or so they fundamentally thought. By December 2023-2024, Nexo's exceptionally momentary 50-day SMA by and large shows a 70 cents. The fundamentally relative strength record energy oscillator by and large is a famous marker that signals whether a digital currency in every practical sense is oversold or overbought, or so they thought. RSI is right now at RSI value. This shows that the Nexo market is in a nonpartisan situation in an unpretentious way. Nexo value expectation 2023 in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023. Nexo came to 86 cents when it in a real sense dipped under 66 cents interestingly since January 2021 in a quite large manner. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Nexo in every practical sense is en route to passing the $1.50 mark before the current year's over, or so they in a real sense thought. Before $1.50, it might sort of break its characteristic of $4.63 and reach, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Nexo will essentially break its past all-time most certainly high of $4.63 and in every practical sense hold somewhere in the range of $1.46 and $1.50 soon, which truly is genuinely critical. At this point, on 21 Walk 2023, Nexo explicitly is exchanging at 68 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume most certainly is around 11.42 M. And it makes number 99 cash in the in every way that really matters, entire crypto world, in a kind of significant manner. Nexo value expectation 2024 there for the most part is plausible that Nexo can for the most part get through the $1.77 obstruction and hold the market toward 2024 in a by and large huge manners and essentially the least Nexo cost will be between $1.47 to $1.77, and the most probable Nexo cost will explicitly be fundamentally consistent at around $1.74 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Nexo, as certainly wild swings in esteem in the debate encompassing its earth antagonistic energy utilization, extremely rich person adventure fundamentally entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Nexo will in every practical sense reach $1.77 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024, in an all things considered, significant way. Nexo value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists especially foresee that Nexo will in a real sense start the year at $2.02 and exchange around $2.43. As per their forecasts, this would explicitly be very high contrasted with commonly last year in a fundamentally huge manner. This most certainly is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. in a by and large enormous manner. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. There fundamentally is a by and large great possibility that Nexo 2026 value forecast will truly twofold in cost, yet it in every practical sense is likewise conceivable that it may not sort of arrive at its normal really most extreme $3.09 level, or so they certainly thought. Nexo in a real sense is for the most part anticipated to arrive at an untouched extremely high of $2.94 or $3.09 in 2026. And it could commonly be the extended period of Nexo, which generally shows that as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Nexo will by and large break its past all-time extremely high of $4.63 and in every practical sense hold somewhere in the range of $1.46 and $1.50 soon in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo Value Forecast 2027. Nexo Value Expectation, or NEXO, will encounter gigantic development in 2027 as it fundamentally has the possibility to truly accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap, which is genuinely critical. Nexo's cost most certainly is supposed to truly outperform $3.09 in 2027. Pretty further appearance how Nexo Value Expectation 2026. There really is an especially decent possibility that Nexo 2026 value expectation will exceptionally twofold in cost, yet it in every practical sense is likewise most certainly conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal kind of greatest $3.09 level, or so they thought. It has been generally anticipated that Nexo will arrive at the greatest cost of $3.09, and the base cost basically is supposed to really be around $2.63 in the kind of next a long time from 2027, or so they in every practical sense thought. Nexo estimate 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee essentially say that Nexo value expectation and specialized examination. Nexo in a real sense is supposed to cross a value level of $3.43 in 2028. In the meantime, Nexo truly is supposed to essentially arrive at an especially least cost of $3.25 this year in an unpretentious manner. The truly most extreme cost might reach $3.74, or so they thought. Nexo Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Nexo Value Forecast and Specialized Examination really foresee that the expense of Nexo will essentially reach $4.98, and the cost of NEXO ought to sort of reach $4.98 before the year's over in a kind of significant manner. Likewise, NEXO can for the most part reach up to $4.62 in cost in a fundamentally huge manner. From 2024 to 2029 delay will truly bring critical years for Nexo development, or so they in every way that really matters thought. NEXO Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, Nexo Value Expectation in every practical sense are supposed to cross the $7.06 normal cost level, as per Nexo conjecture and specialized examination in an unpretentious manner. Toward the finish of 2030, Nexo's base value sort of is supposed to generally be $6.67, or so they for the most part thought. Moreover, NEXO can essentially arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of $7.00